anybody want to JV on an earn and learn project? And the response was insane. It was time to find the right property. But the good news is we completed. Yes. Footings dug, strip outs done. Yeah, lots and lots of progress. We've hit a roadblock. The villagers of Horton have all come out in force. I have received hateful messages. There are Facebook groups that have been set up about me. But we keep smiling, we move forward. Welcome back to another video, guys. And today I'm going to give you an update on one of the JV properties. 50 people we bought together. We bought the house, we got it, and we faced a few problems. More complaints, more neighbours moaning. We have had another complaint today, and the council are coming here at 10 o'clock in the morning. Even the council now are getting peeved. They've actually called us down and said, we've had a complaint, we have to come because we have to follow the rule book, but they know what we're doing. We are in constant contact with them about what we're doing. Planning officer, highways agency, councillor and the enforcement officer all on our side. You know the hoarding, the branding that we've put up, right? That's the only problem they've got at the minute. That's the thing that's upsetting them. Positive news though, we have turned a lot of the negative people into fans. They've started watching the YouTube channel and they've started messaging me personally and stuff, and they're saying we're really excited. So they started off horrible. The same people who have messaged me horrible comments are now saying, oh wow, we really like what's going on and stuff.
It's massive.
You know, I wanted to go to 8 metres. I made a phone call, got the group together, we all met up, and transparency is key. We went through some of the things that we paid for, shown some of the invoices, and decided to let everybody know what we wanted to put forward for planning. This is what happens. Because the house is detached, we're allowed to build 4 metres off the back under permitted developments. We don't even need to inform the council, we just pay for building regs and we can build it. Single story, no problems, no drama. No one can say shit to us. We've gone 6 metres, and what you have to do with 6 metres, you have to do neighbours consult, which means you have to put a notice into the council, and they will tell the neighbour, they'll send a letter to the neighbours directly opposite, the neighbour to the right over the road, first house, and the neighbour to the left, and the neighbour behind, but there isn't one behind, so we're okay. They will send, is that the initial notice? Yeah. So they will send a notice, and it's got 42 days for someone to say, to put their views. Now guys, this, they can object, but the council don't look at it like that. You can't just object. A neighbour's consult is just that, it's just a consultation to tell them what we're going to do. Unless we are impeding something that is like serious, even if all 3 neighbours say no, we're not happy about it, the council don't really care. As long as we're not breaking any laws or we're not doing anything wrong. So neighbours consult, guys, is not the neighbours make the decision whether we can build this 6 metres. That's what you've all got to get out of your heads. The council don't look at it like that, it's just a view. This was a great opportunity for everybody to voice their opinions, to put their ideas forward, because what someone else can see, someone else might not be able to see. So we're always open for discussions and ideas to be brought to the table, just in case it adds more value. And at that point, everybody was in the loop and knew what was next. Obviously, everybody wants to keep this, don't they? Well, it's kind of going to be a bit of a problem because the windows at the front of the house now are going to be an issue, because it's a funny layout, because that will be a bedroom. Everyone was a bit like, that's a bit boxy. Well, a couple of people on the group chat. So what's everyone's thoughts of it? Continue the roof like that, you're saying, aren't you? If you go back. Actually, would you just continue the roof the way it is? And then that one, just keep it like that. I'll get it completed now, yeah? weeks have gone by. We turned up at the property to check up on the strip out and the demolition of some of the buildings. Yeah, well, you got to imagine now. So obviously we got planning permission last week for the double story to go through. We had to lose the balconies and replace them with the windows. I don't understand it, but yeah, we've had to do that. So next week we'll have we've got 3 contractors coming. I'd like him to start first week in December, within a month, yeah. So it's just obviously just picking off everything that everyone wants doing. We're budgeting about 140. That's what we're expecting it to come back at, about 140. That's where we're thinking in our heads. So you're probably wondering what the inside is going to look like. Take a look at this. The drawings, the working drawings will be back with us Monday morning, maybe Tuesday, because they're all being sent over tomorrow. Steel's are key, because he's going to want to know how much labour and time, and is there anything he's got to do to underpin as well with the garage, because they're the basement. So we'll put this in we'll go in the group tonight, because I think this works better as a 4-bedroom than a 5. Builders. No, a lot of, so I know how many people are pulling the plug on their builds now. So many people are pulling the plugs on their builds because they're all nervous. And also guys, this is very, very important for all of you who are looking to get some deals and stuff like that. Everyone's refinances are coming up enough with their bridging loans and stuff. And people can't refinance. So they've got to sell the properties, and there's some serious bargains coming up. There you have it guys, JV1 update is done, and the next time that you see me is when I'm arguing with a contractor about the price he's giving us for the work that needs to be carried out.